What if I told you that your car's failing engine might not need a full overhaul, just a head gasket repair? That sounds like music to any car owner's ears, but there's a catch. Make the wrong call, and you're looking at bigger bills, and bigger problems, down the road. In this video, I'm diving into head gasket repair versus replacement, showing you when patching it up is smart and when going all in on replacement is the only way to go. The head gasket is a thin but mighty seal located between your engine block and cylinder head. It keeps oil, coolant, and combustion gases in their proper lanes. When that seal fails, trouble strikes such as coolant leaks cause engine overheating, oil contamination leads to poor lubrication, and wear and compression loss can ruin engine performance, or worse, warp parts. Which brings us to the million-dollar question: do you go for a head gasket repair or deep dive into a full replacement? Head gasket repair achieved the following. 1. Fixes minor gasket leaks. 2. Adds sealants or replaces small sections. 3. Less invasive and cheaper. Head gasket replacement achieved the following. 1. Full removal and install of new head gasket. 2. Often involves machining surfaces. 3. More expensive but more reliable long-term. Let's talk about when is repair okay. You're good to go if 1. Minor leak only, small seepage with normal engine temps. 2. No coolant in oil, oil stays slick, not milky. 3. Steady compression, no misfires, loss of power, or smoke. 4. No head warpage, cracks, confirmed through inspections. If it's just a small leak and the gasket hasn't been scraped to oblivion, a repair kit, like sealant or a replacement section, can get your engine sealing again without going full teardown. When replacement is a must. But in many cases, head gasket repair is just a band-aid. Go for total replacement if 1. There's coolant in the oil, aka milky mayo, sludge. 2. You have persistent overheating even after topping off coolant. 3. The engine misfires, knocks, or blows white smoke. 4. Diagnostics show compression loss, uneven cylinder pressure. 5. A mechanic spots warped or cracked cylinder heads. These symptoms show it's beyond a quick repair. Time for a full replace, nothing less will cut it. How do you know what to go for? 3 simple steps. 1. Coolant oil check. 2. Dipstick check. Milky grime equals head gasket failure. 3. Pressure test. Inject coolant and see if bubbles appear in oil. These checks are also necessary. 1. Compression leak down test. 2. Tests health of each cylinder. Drop in PSI equals bad. 3. Thermal and oil pressure check. 4. Light grass around engine, color blotches, smoke, overheating. Get these diagnostics done early, it's cheaper and less stressful than guessing wrong. Pros and cons summary. Head gasket repair. Check mark less money up front. Check mark faster turnaround. Warning risk of recurring issues if damage is worse. Head gasket replacement. Check mark comprehensive fix, longer lasting. Check mark prevents future failure from underlying damage. Cross mark higher upfront cost. Cross mark more labor and downtime. Expert tips. Don't DIY without temp tests and torque wrench. Always use quality sealant and parts, cheap can spell disaster. Invest in leak down testers, compression testers for diagnostics. Research reputable shops if you outsource, ask about their head gasket experience. Consider replacing hub bolts and machining the deck when you're already in there. Case study. Let me tell you about a real-world example. My buddy had a 2007 Civic with a small leak, no milky oil, no overheating, no misfires. We did a head gasket repair using a quality kit and torque sequence. 3 years later, it's still solid. Contrast that with another friend. He ignored his white smoke and carbon-rich exhaust. By the time he brought it in, the head was warped. He ended up paying $2,200 for total replacement. Don't let that be you. Consider the following questions. Can sealant solve all head gasket issues? Only for tiny leaks. Larger issues need replacement. How long does a repair last? Depends on damage, but it's meant to buy you time, not forever. Is replacement a guarantee? No, but it's the closest you get short of rebuilding the engine. Can I drive home after repair? Yes. Cool it, monitor temps, and recheck fluids. Do forged heads need replacement? Inspect for cracks, but if they pass, a repair can still work. What you should do now. Inspect. Check oil, compression, coolant. If it's a small leak and head's clean, right pointing arrow, go for head gasket repair. If there are any warning signs, smoke, mixing fluids, misfires, right pointing arrow, flush it, get full replacement. Keep maintenance records, tracking torque steps, products used, runs done. To wrap up, head gasket repair can be a smart, budget-friendly fix in low-damage scenarios. Don't gamble. If you see big warning signs like coolant in oil, overheating, white smoke, or compression loss, right pointing arrow, opt for replacement. Always test, inspect, and follow proper torque and parts procedures, whether you repair or replace. If this helped you understand when to go with head gasket repair versus replacement, hit that thumbs up, subscribe for more engine how-tos, and drop your head gasket stories or questions in the comments. Drive smart, stay smooth, and I'll see you in the next one.